Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually something I'm really excited about. We have a special guest. His name is Duke. He wanted to come and hang out with me. Anyways, today's video, I'm actually going to be reviewing my Boxycharm and Ipsy bag this month. Sorry if I start squinting. I'm using natural light and the sun's like going in and out of clouds, so it might get really bright. Anyways, that being said, thank you guys so much for being here today. I hope you're super excited about today's video. I know I am. I'm super pumped about this month's Boxycharm and Ipsy bag. So if you're interested in seeing how I create a look using those products and what I got, then just keep on watching. I'm going to actually start by unbagging my Ipsy bag. I have to be honest and say I got my Ipsy bag 2 days ago and I've actually already played with it, but I just got my Boxycharm today, so that's why I wanted to wait till today to do this video. But yeah, so I have actually used every single product in my Ipsy bag already. Let me show you guys what the Ipsy bag looks like this month. I'm not super, I mean, it's kind of weird to me. Anyways, this is the Lou by Jean So Balance Hydrating and Calming Serum. I've used this twice now. I've used this every time after I've washed my face. I've already used it today and I really like it. I am breaking out really bad right now. I've had a lot of stress this week, but this has been really nice. It really makes my skin super soft and I've really been enjoying it after I wash my face and I get out of the shower. So I'm already wearing this. Ooh, so much better. Okay, I'm wearing this right now and yeah, I really like it. That was a hit. The next thing I was super excited about is this Oribe Gold Less Dry Shampoo. The salon that I go to, they use all Oribe products. I think that's how you say it. And so I was super excited about this. I put it in my hair today. I waited like 3 days to wash my hair just so I could use it. And I don't even know if you can tell. Obviously, you didn't know what it looked like before. But I think it actually helped a lot. I put my hair up just because I tried to straighten it and my hair was just not having it today, but I put it in a middle part just so you guys could see. It was really greasy before. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is this City Color Contour Palette. Now, I will have to be honest, I have used this a couple times, and these two, the highlight and the bronzer, no, just no. They are super, I mean, they don't feel really terrible, but the bronzer is just way too like orangey for my skin tone right there, obviously. And the highlight, I mean, I'll just swatch it for you. First of all, I hope you guys can't see. There's so much powder and like, I mean, in the sunlight it looks really pretty, but in person it literally is like a white cast on my hand. Like, it matches my shirt. This is a really pretty contour shade. I'm super excited about it. I've used it twice. I'm going to use it in today's video. Even though I didn't like 2 of the products in here, the bag's only $10 and I like this contour shade a lot. So it's a win for me. And then the last thing in my box was a NYX lip lingerie. I got super excited because I do really like the NYX lip lingeries, but this one I just fear is just way too light. Yeah, like this is just, it looks light. It looks darker on here, but just for my skin tone, I've already tried it on and it just makes me look like a dead person. But that's everything I got in my Ipsy bag this month. For the most part, I was really happy about it. But yeah, let's get into Boxycharm now. Hold on, I gotta go wash off my hand. Okay, I am back now. And yeah, okay, let's go over the Boxycharm products because that's honestly what I was most excited for. So first things first, I'm gonna use this. I was super excited when I saw this. This is the Pores No More Luminizer Primer from Dr. Brand. I'm super stoked about it because this is expensive. This primer itself is obviously full size and it's $38, so I'm like, yes, I'm here for it. So it has this little tint to it. It's kind of like a cream beige color. I mean, even though my skin's not really dry, I do live in Nevada, so it's always nice to keep your skin very moist. I really like that. I almost feel like the color of it has like almost a color correcting effect. Maybe I'm crazy, but that's just what I see. Let me just show you guys this real quick. This is the It Brow Power Universal Brow Pencil. If you don't know, I'm already a fan of this. I already have it. I actually received it once in an Ipsy bag a long time ago. I'm not going to show you guys on camera how it works because I've already used it before, so if you're interested, you could go back and look at my full face of Ipsy and Boxycharm products, or just like one of my other videos because I use it all the time. But yeah, I'll be right back. I'm going to do my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows, and I will be right back. Alright guys, I'm back. So my foundation, concealer, and eyebrows are done. In case you guys were wondering, I went in with the Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade 228 Soft Tan. Also using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. I go back and forth with this. Like sometimes I love it, sometimes I hate it. But for some reason, the last couple days I've been using it with this foundation and it looks really nice. And I also just want to comment on the combination of the primer and this stuff together. I think my skin looks amazing. Even though this is a matte foundation, I think my skin looks luminous but not too glowy, because you know I'm not about that dewy look. I prefer matte. And then also I set it with the Rimmel Stay Matte. Look, I got a new one because mine broke. Number 4 Sandstorm. So that's what's on my face currently. So let's just jump into this little guy. This is the contour palette. I'm going to use this first, and then I'm going to go into the next products from the Boxycharm. So I'm just going to contour right now. That's the only shade I'm going to use, like I said before. And it says it's a blush brush. It's from Crown Beauty, I believe. I've already used it so much that I don't know if I just don't take care of my brushes or if I just have like really sweaty hands and it just rubs off, but for some reason with me this always happens. But they say this is a blush brush, but I've really been enjoying using it for contouring, so that's what I'm going to use it for today. So just go in, just make sure. So yeah, so now we're all carved out and good. I'm going to go in with the next product from Boxycharm, which is this Pure Bronze and Brighten palette. I was so excited when I got this. It is so freaking cute. It has this really big mirror, has bronzer, highlight, and blush. Oh man, I just dug into it with my nail. That is just crazy. The bronzer looks really, really shimmery. So it is a little nerve-wracking, but you know what? I think I'm really gonna like all this. I don't mind a lot of shimmer in my bronzer, so let's just go. I'm gonna use all 3 of these. That highlight, I'm a little nervous, might be a little too light for me, but hey, we'll see how it goes. Brush that I always use for my bronzer. It is very shimmery. You know, I'm not mad at it, honestly. It is super shimmery. So if you don't like a shimmery bronzer, like if you prefer matte bronzers, this is definitely not for you, but I think it is mixing really pretty with the contour, and I win-win. Okay, next up for blush. Oh, that's cute. Definitely gives a nice flush to the cheeks. You know, it looks really nice. I'm looking super healthy and glowy right now. And for the grand finale, so I'm going to use this e.l.f. Flawless Concealer brush for my highlighting brush. I really just like it. It's really cute and yeah. Okay. Wow. How do you can see that from this angle? Because from here, it is looking really pretty. Oh man. That is really pretty. Wow. Alright, so now that my base is done, I have to say I'm really enjoying all these products. I think the contour went really nice with this Pure Cosmetics palette. Yeah, I mean, I really have no complaints right now. I think everything's looking really pretty. This was the Crown Pro Glam Metals palette. I think this palette is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch. I'm really excited to play with these. I didn't go super crazy in on those shadows, like swatching them really hard. I maybe barely put my finger in, and they all looked really, really promising. So that's what I'm really excited about. I'm not really sure what kind of look I'm going to create yet. So yeah, I just used my concealer, and then I set it with my Rimmel Stay Matte powder. My eyes are all prepped and ready to go. I'm really gonna try hard to create a full look from this. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this contour palette, and I'm going to take the bronzer shade, the middle one, and use that as like a transition-y shade. Not too shiny, the transition shade. You know what, that actually worked out really well as a transition shade, so that's good. So next up, I don't know what colors. This color in the middle, Rebel, like when I swatched it, just kind of spoke to me. The Wicked down here at the bottom doesn't have too many, it doesn't look super shimmery, so I think I'm going to use that as like my crease shade. Okay, so that's what the Wicked looks like. I think it looks really, really pretty. I'm going to just take my finger and apply Rebel, which is that middle gold shade, all over my lid. That is a really gorgeous shade. So next up, I'm going to take this color in the corner, Black Metal. That's the only matte, and I'm just going to deepen up the outer V and the crease a little bit more. Alright, so I deepened up the crease just a little bit with the black. I just patted that on the outer corner. It's not super intense. I feel like you could build it up, but I don't really want to. So, yeah, and just to let you guys know, there is a little bit of fallout. Hopefully you guys can see it on my cheeks, but it's not a super big deal. I just take this big fluffy brush and just brush it away. But yeah, since there's no... Ooh, why is this shadow trying to ruin my life? But yeah, I think that looks really pretty, and I'm going to mix the Wicked and Glam Rock, these two right here, and put that on my lower lash line. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I think it has a lot of really gorgeous shades that you could use this to spruce up any look. Like if you're ever looking for a pop of color or to deepen up the crease or the outer corner, this is a really good palette for that. Yeah, so I don't really think I need eyeliner or anything with this look just because it is super intense and pretty and smoky. So I'm just going to pop on some mascara, and then we'll do the lip, and then we'll be done. Hi. Hi. Babe. So this is the finished eye look. I really, let me show you guys. I really like the way it turned out. I think the colors are really pretty, super blendable, and yeah, I'm overall really impressed with the palette. Lippies. I actually have two lip products. I got one in my Boxy and one in my Ipsy. I'm super excited about these lip products. I have this one that I got in my Boxycharm, which I'm really excited about because I've never used Girlactic before, and this is the matte lip paint, and I got mine in the shade Demure. I think this will look really pretty with this eyeliner, but then I also have this NYX Lip Lingerie Satin Ribbon, but like I told you guys, this is just way too freaking light for me. Like, let me show you guys, hold on. I mean, I guess it's not awful, but I prefer my nudes a little darker. I just really don't think it goes with this look. So I'm going to use the Girlactic one. Okay. And I know a lot of people really like the Girlactic formula, so I'm really excited to try it. Super creamy. It's a lot darker than I thought it was going to be. That's way darker. But I don't dislike it. Now wait for this to dry down, and then maybe I'll put a little bit of this over it, and maybe I'll have like a really pretty lip combination. We'll see. Okay, so it is just about dry. It's been taking a while for it to dry, so I'm trying to like expedite the process, but this shade is really pretty. It feels super comfortable on the lips. I really like this formula. I think I'm going to, just because this lip is a little intense for the look I was going for today, I'm going to try and put this NYX right on top of it and see how I like it. Ooh, I kind of put it just in the center to give it kind of an ombre effect, and I really like the way these two look together. Ooh, yeah, okay. I really like this. Overall, I think the entire look turned out gorgeous. There was not one product that I was extremely disappointed with. Since we're on the Boxy Ipsy theme, I'm going to go in with my Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Set everything in, but yeah, overall I really like this look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I really love Ipsy and Boxycharm. I think it's so worth the money. I hope you guys super enjoyed this video. I had so much fun filming it for you. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoy me putting the Ipsy and Boxycharm together. But other than that, have a great rest of your week. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.